If you have online accounts with each or any of the 3 major credit bureaus, the process is pretty simple, and we're going to walk you through that today. When you first go onto the Transunion website, you'll see an option near the top for customer support. When you click on customer support, you'll see an option for credit freeze and unfreeze. If you don't already have an account on their website, you're going to have to create one. And if you already have one, you may be prompted to log in. Once you're logged in, it'll tell you the current status of your report. So if you've already frozen it, of course, it'll say your report is frozen, and you can choose to either remove the freeze completely or temporarily lift the freeze. For this example, we're going to show you how to temporarily lift the freeze. You'll choose the start date and the end date of this temporary unfreeze. Then you'll click Continue. After just a couple seconds, you'll get a confirmation message from Transunion on the website, and it'll confirm the dates that your freeze is going to start and end, and then you can click Continue. Finally, now the status on your account will be changed. It'll say the credit freeze on your report is temporarily lifted, or permanently lifted, depending on which way you want it to go. Thanks so much for watching the videos today. Don't forget to activate credit monitoring in the Citrus app for optimum protection while your credit is unfrozen. Thanks again, and stay safe out there.